What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play ROCKSTAR by DaBaby. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's got 4 chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. I am going to show you the intro, the riff that's played throughout the entire song, and I will show you how to strum chords along to this song. So if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as the guitar chord diagrams. They're in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. So for your intro, you're going to use this D minor formation down starting on the 8th fret. So you're on the middle finger, your middle finger is on the 8th fret of your G string, your ring finger is on the 9th fret of the B string, and your index finger is on the 7th fret of the E string. And they're just picking all 3 strings at once, or strumming down. And then go down to 11, 12, 11. This D major shape, index finger on the 11th fret of the G string, ring finger on the 12th fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 11th fret of the high E. Same way, just pluck all 3 of them at the same time. Then move that down, same formation, but now you're on 6, 7, 6, and then down to 4, 5, 4. So and you can think of it in counts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're switching to, this is G sharp minor here. This is a B major. This is a F sharp major. And this is an E. So you're switching to your B on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a full count of 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then same thing with these 2 chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the riff that's playing throughout the song, you're using those same exact chords, you're just picking through them. It's very simple. Starting on your G sharp minor, you're picking G, B, E twice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then switch down to your B. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So twice here, 3 times here. And this guitar riff, I'm pretty sure, was made in a software, so it's very fast and it's very difficult. If you can, on the very last, on your 3rd time picking through this B, you can pick that B string again before you switch, so that would look like, then down to your F sharp major, same thing as your G sharp minor, just twice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then down to your E major, same thing as your B. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if you can, that B string one more time before you start it all back over. So slowly, it looks like. Now the easiest way to play through the chords for this song is you're going to capo up to the 4th fret. You're going to use the same 4 chords just in their formations here, which is going to be E minor formation to start, 0 2 2 0 0 0. Then a G major, 3 2 0 0 0 3. Then D major, 0 0 0 2 3 2. And C major, which is 0 3 2 0 1 0. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up. Switching from the E to the G on that up strum. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then same thing with your D and your C. Down, 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 up, down, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with the song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.